Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix an Xbox One controller not signing and solve the blinking lights issue.
Fix 1. Sync the controller. Step 1. Turn on your Xbox One console. Step 2. Press and hold the Xbox button on the controller until it blinks. Step 3. Press the sync button on the console, front left side. Step 4. Press the sync button on the controller, top near pound. Step 5. Wait until the light stays solid. Fix 2. Replace or recharge batteries. Step 1. Remove the back cover. Step 2. Replace the up batteries or recharge the battery pack. Step 3. Turn the controller back on and check if it syncs. Fix 3. Power cycle the Xbox One. Step 1. Hold the power button on the console for 10 seconds. Step 2. Unplug the power cable for 1 minute. Step 3. Plug it back and turn on the console. Step 4. Try syncing again. Fix 4. Connect using a USB cable. Step 1. Plug a USB cable into the controller and console. Step 2. Wait for the controller light to stay solid. Step 3. Remove the USB cable to test wireless syncing. Fix 5. Update controller firmware. Step 1. Connect controller via USB. Step 2. Go to Settings, Devices and Accessories. Step 3. Select your controller. Update. Step 4. After update, try syncing again.